workers to build this? Maybe like 8.
Probably a little bit more than that. Probably took a long time.
Maybe a few years. A year.
Each year they built this.
November?
A little birdie who is tomorrow. We would all like to see you on your special day. Happy birthday, Mickey and the
game.
I want to open it.
Nice to meet you.
Hi, Princess. How are you? I'm sorry.
Are you excited for your birthday today? Oh man, you've been planning this day for a long time already, right?
I want some pink frosting on it.
I'm sure they're gonna get it,
Happy birthday, princess! Oh my God, thank you.
Which is really cool because Now, in addition to Westgate Resorts, CFI, they own many other established businesses. On resorts, championship golf courses, retail outlets, a little bit of everything. But because our developer is so successful, what he's able to do, he's able to deliver the product to the families as debt-free, and on top of that, he offers financing to everyone. Westgate's one of the few timeshare companies in the world that is this financially secure. Now, if you were to own timeshare anywhere in the world, wouldn't you prefer to own somewhere that is secure financially? You don't know where your money's going to. Right this way. So basically the first dimension of your product is the usage of your home resort. You can come out here on the property and enjoy all the amenities. If you want to go ahead, you can go to any other Westgate resort that you're going to go to as well. Gatlinburg, Tennessee, beautiful scenery out there, huge indoor water park. If you want to go to Park City, Utah, you can do your skiing out there. You can do West Williamsburg, Virginia, Miami Beach, Florida. You can do camping, glamping out there, horseback riding. I mean, each of our resorts have something different that you can do. It's amazing. Take full advantage of it. Okay? When it comes to the activities and the amenities, I cannot keep stressing that out, that all the activities on this property here will always be included in your ownership, which is really good. Because let's say in a scenario, God forbid, you're going through a little bit harder time with money than what you normally would, God forbid, you would know that your daughter at least would still have the same quality vacations, and you as well. You would never miss out on anything ever again. And right this way. And over here, we have the bigger blow-up picture of the Vegas, the resort and the casino. And then over here is a picture of Park City, Utah. So you have your living room space over here, your bathroom, your kitchen, your scenery. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. You right? Just making some more of the fireplace. And the second you have is the ability to exchange. Now, through Interval International, you can exchange your weekday home here in Orlando to go anywhere else in the world that you want to go to. But you can switch it up. You can go anywhere from Egypt to Rome to London, New York, Paris, Hawaii. Remember how much you pay though when you exchange?
$199.
No, my video was from Westgate to Westgate. You guys got it. You got it. And then also you can also trade for a cruise. Again, any major cruise line anywhere in the world, giving you the best price guarantee on top of that. Okay. All right. So over here, remember earlier when I mentioned that book, The Interval International, they rate the quality of all the resorts that we have, right? We did get rated a Premier Resort from Interval this year. You are in Orlando, which is the #1 demand and location destination for families all over the world. And we have all the awards to show for it. But with owning a resort with this much exchange power, do you feel like that would be important to you and your family to make sure that we take care of you and yours before anybody else? Alright. Exactly. And then right over here. And the third and most important one is the theater real estate. That what makes it so valuable is the location where you are today. It makes it 10 times more valuable. You're gonna have it in your family forever. This is like a legacy you can leave behind for your daughter, where your daughter can go ahead when she gets older with her family, can do the same exact thing that you're doing with her right
I
now.
have a question. So, like, we're trying to have more kids. So, how does that work?
It gets you down to all of your kids.
All of them, okay.
All of them. Yep. All of them. Because the deed is gonna have multiple places under that you can put their name under it. So whenever, God forbid, you pass away, then it's gonna be under them forever.
We all gotta die, right?
I know, eventually, but
Yeah.
God forbid that anytime soon. So like I told you earlier, we have 160 million people that come or fly out to Florida every single year. Then we get here, more than 60 million people alone that come to Central Florida a year, every single year. But sense location, right? Sense location is so important to the value of real estate. Can you imagine owning property to vacation anywhere else than where you are today? Considering that when Disney goes up in value, so does this resort over here. Right? Let me show you this right over here. A little bit about Orlando history. Orlando was established in the mid-1800s. It was known prestigious for its cattle only. Then back in 1875, the population was 85 people. I know you see this wrong. There's more people in this room today than there was back then. There was not that many people here at all. Until 1971, when Disney opened, making it the #1 vacation destination in the world for everybody around the world. Literally. And then right over here, let me show you how this looks. This is where we are right now, yeah? So this resort here covers 340 acres of land. Over here we have the original villas. Over here we have the towers. And then over here we have the town center. That's where we are right now. This location is a million people to the property. We get families that come here and they don't ever leave because how much tourists do here on the property. So we got water parks, we got 18 pools, we have paddle boats, miniature golf, spas, gyms, restaurants, grocery stores, Lake Wilson Activity Center. You can rent out bicycles, basketball courts, tennis courts, baseball field. You can walk your dog. We have a dog park. I mean, we got it all. It's like a little community. You honestly would never have to leave. Yeah, unless you go on shopping or to the theme parks. But let me give you some fun facts about Disney. Did you know that back in 1965, when Disney first purchased his property, do you know that he only spent an average of $200 an acre?
Me.
Exactly. You guys deserve it. You work hard enough for it. And think about it, like when these people, when they go to places like the owners of the Ramadas or the Airbnbs, you think that when they go on vacation, they'll take their families to places like that? I mean, the houses are cool, but it's one house that you can go to every single year. You're limited to what you can do. For something like this, where you can do so much, travel, and still have the same benefits, amenities, everything. Sky's the limit. I keep saying that's my favorite word, sky's the limit. Right over here, so I'm going to show you outside now so you can really go. Oh, this is one of our newer resorts in Orlando as well. This one is right by International Drive. It's called the Palace. You got that same irritation of Caesar's Palace.
Can you say that again?
That when you can use all the amenities that we have on the property, go to the activity center, show your owner's card, they'll give you all the amenities for free on the property. Basically, you don't have to pay for anything extra. Go ahead. Savage in these streets. Right here on my right hand side, we have the Serenity Spa that's being renovated. By the time it's done, you can get your facial, your massages, your nails done, all that. Then right next door, we have the gym. The gym is free of charge. This is just extra ways that you can enjoy yourself on your vacation, your routine, try something new. By all means, it's there for you to use. Yep. Then right over here is where the convenience is extremely real. We have a grocery store. You can get anything that you need in there. Your grocery, deli, meat, pizza, the best Cuban sandwiches in there, Starbucks coffee, sports bar and a grill, and a breakfast buffet. Everything that you see over here, owners are going to receive 15% off for being owners with Westgate. And the other side of the building, they're going to offer you free shuttle rides to and from the parks. So instead of you spending $20 or $30 to have your car parked in their property, take the shuttle. It's going to show you the times that it's going and coming. You pick whatever time is best for you. But use that money for like souvenirs or food or something like that. Just not to have your car parked there, you know? Yeah. Just a way to sell, help you save money. Right? I think they're Yorkies.
I think so. They look like Yorkies.
So really quick, the units on my right hand side, these are over 20 years old. The units on my left hand side over here, they're only 8 years old. Other than the height of the building, there's absolutely nothing different about them because we maintain them all exactly the same way. That's why our owners, who have been owners for the past 25 years, they know that their HOAs is going to guarantee that their property is going to look amazing every time that they do come back. Okay. Alright, this way. So this is our beautiful 2-bedroom, 2-bath condo. This in here will sleep 8 people comfortably. So even if you end up having like 4 more kids, you have enough more space so you can go ahead and everybody can run around and have a blast. You still have your dining room set where you can still sit down as a family, have your memorable little dinners, you have your wet bar, you have your sleeper sofa. Come check out your bedroom. This is your bedroom over here. You have your king size bed, beautiful tub, stand-up shower, here's another sink, your bathroom is right over there.
It's really nice.
Right, and the cool thing is that wherever you go, it's always gonna be just like this. Just like this.
I feel special.
That's so cool.
It is really cool. And we'll share our buttons. And then that's one of the activity centers that we have over there. We have paddles, you can play miniature golf, build a bear, you can paint faces over there. They have so many activities that you can do during the day from 9 in the morning to 9 p.m. Enjoy it all. And all that is included as well. So, real quick, let's just, we're gonna take a couple steps back in time, right? This actually was 1965. We get our own TV, our own bathroom, our own space. And really quick, let me the value of Central Florida itself. But what do you think is going to happen to the prices of all of our condos when they finish everything?
That's why you're involved.
Yeah, of course. So with that in mind, when do you feel would be the best time to get involved? Yeah. What about you, Vanessa? When? So water park over here. So you have the hallways here. And over there goes all the way around. Out there, I was
I love doing vacations like this.